How to reset Fanimation fan remote. Fix pairing, power, and syncing issues. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to reset your Fanimation fan remote and fix common problems like pairing, power, or syncing issues. If your fan isn't responding or the remote won't pair, don't worry. Now here's the solution step by step. Step 1. Turn off the fan power. First, turn off the fan at the wall switch or circuit breaker. Wait about 10 to 15 seconds before continuing. Step 2. Remove the batteries from the remote. Take the batteries out of the Fanimation remote. Wait 5 to 10 seconds, then put them back in. Make sure the batteries are fresh and installed correctly. Step 3. Reset the remote. Press and hold the fan power button or the off button for about 5 to 10 seconds until the LED on the remote blinks. This clears previous pairing settings. Step 4. Repair the remote with the fan. Turn the fan power back on. Press and hold the pairing button on the fan receiver, usually inside the canopy or motor housing. Within 30 seconds, press the power button on your remote to sync. The fan should respond. Try different speeds to confirm. Step 5. Test all functions. Check fan speed, light control if applicable, and reverse mode. If everything works, the reset and pairing were successful. Important notes. Always turn off power before touching the fan canopy or receiver. Make sure the batteries are fresh. Weak batteries can prevent syncing. If pairing still fails, repeat the reset steps slowly or consult the Fanimation manual for your specific model. And that's it. Your Fanimation fan remote should now be reset and working properly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick home and tech fixes.